This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying addressability. Ping the server IP, then try curl http://IP port to see the raw response. Once done, check the service process with system tools and confirm it is listening on the expected interface. That explains why requests never reach your app. Next, inspect host and network firewalls and any NAT/port forwarding on routers, because blocked ports are the most common cause. Make sure your DNS resolves to the correct IP before moving on. Once network basics are clear, dive into web server and application layers. Tail the access and error logs while reproducing the failure, because logs reveal mismatches or startup failures. Then validate TLS certificates and virtual host or reverse proxy configuration. Misbound host names or expired certs cause modern browsers to refuse connections. Also run curl from localhost to confirm the app serves pages locally. If local works but remote fails, use TCP dump or netstat to trace where packets stop. You finish by restarting components in the right order. The application first, then the web server, and finally any load balancer or reverse proxy, so connections reestablish cleanly. After that, clear caches and consider DNS TTL propagation. Test from different networks and devices to isolate client-side caching. If the page still fails, capture a complete set of logs and a packet trace, and prepare a rollback point so you can revert recent changes. That single troubleshooting tip saves time when fixes make things worse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.